Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Honor Magic 4 Pro. So in order to do this, first let's open Google Play Store. Next is to search for an app and enter Notify Buddy. Now install this app, open it. Go to the next step. Here you will need to grant the app 3 permissions. First one is phone permission, simply allow it. Next is overlay permission. Here we'll need to find Notify Buddy and allow permission again. Now next is notification permission, works the same way. And last one is battery optimization, and it's optional. You don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move to the next step, and here click on accept. Now down here there will be 4 tabs, and the first one is user. You can select any apps you want to receive custom LED lamp notifications for, so let's pick TikTok. In system you can find all system bound apps, so here we want a clock, for example. Next is active, and you can see all apps that you've just activated. In the system, in the settings, you can find all customization options for the LED lamp, so you can change its placement on the screen, shape, size, time between blinking, color, whatever you want, but some of the settings are locked behind the premium version of this app. Now let's press on the test button, and we should see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.